Hey beautiful, I'm going to show you today how to use a flat iron to curl your hair. We're going to first practice the motions of using a flat iron. So keep your flat iron off. We're going to turn it so that the label is no longer facing that way. You're going to close, turn with this finger, readjust and pull. Close, turn, readjust and pull. Now we're going to practice still with the flat iron off. You're going to grab a section of your hair, tilt your head to the side, elbows up, close, readjust, and pull. Once you've practiced that a couple times, we're going to plug it in. Turn on your flat iron. And I want it set no more than 300 degrees, unless you have super coarse hair, of course. But anyone who has color treated hair to maybe very fine, no more than 300 degrees. If you have the vibe option, turn your vibrator. This helps shuffle the hair so it doesn't get stuck and fill all your hair strands. You're going to tilt your head, grab your section, elbows up, close the flat iron, turn it around, readjust, now to do the other side, you're going to come from underneath. So you're going to grab your section, your elbow's going to go up without the flat iron. Turn it close, readjust. Don't forget to use heat protector.